Students, I, Gitanjali Singh Rathod, welcome all the students of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Today we are going to talk about the classroom teaching centers of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. As you must be aware that coaching facility is an optional facility which is being provided by the Institute through its regional chapter offices and study centers across the country. So today we'll be talking about these classroom teaching centers, that why these classroom teaching centers are important for the students and what benefit and facilities these classroom teaching centers are provided and why they are best amongst the other classroom teaching centers in the country. So I'll give you a brief presentation about these classroom teaching centers which are being provided by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Dear students, so let's talk about the classroom teaching centers of the ICSI. I'll be talking about the various initiatives which we have taken for the students who are undergoing classes at the regional chapter offices of the institute. So I'll be talking about the benefits of classroom teaching centers of ICSI, what all benefits we are giving to the students. So we have small batches for deeper conceptual clarity, special attention for non-commerce students. So some students who join CS profession from non-commerce background. So we give special focus on such students so that they can also acquaint themselves with the CS profession. Continuous revisions and tests are conducted by the institute. Exam result and career oriented. Best infrastructure institute has. Optimal fee in comparison to private coaching centers. So ICSI classroom teaching centers, they take optimal fee from the students. Library facility. So most of our regional chapter offices have library facility. Distinguished faculties and a blend of academicians from premier institutes. So ICSI provides best faculty to the students so that they can prepare themselves for the examination in the best possible manner. Periodic class tests are held, parents, teachers meetings are held regularly. Faculty development programs, this is very important. So we conduct faculty development programs also. So we prepare faculty so that they can teach you in the best possible manner. Demo lectures, mock tests, crash courses are conducted on regular basis. Special programs, special guest lectures. So we invite, faculty from corporate houses also so that they can give you practical insight apart from the academic knowledge. 100% coverage of syllabus, assistance in placement. So ICSI supports students in placement also. Scope to learn soft skills and leadership skills. So apart from academic knowledge, we focus on soft skills also and leadership skills also, because company secretaries, they work in key managerial positions in the various organizations. So they should have good communication skills also and leadership skills also. Classroom teaching centers of the institute extend support to the students in preparation for the examination. So we prepare students for the examination so that they can score well in the main examination. Now I'll be talking about the major initiatives which we have taken for the students who are undergoing classes. So we are moving towards digital classes now. Apart from physical classes, we are also conducting online classes. So regular classes are being conducted for foundation, executive and professional program. We are conducting a lot of crash courses, revision classes, refresher classes for the students to prepare them for the main examination. And we have also conducted CSET classes and are conducting for each and every batch, and CSET has been introduced recently by the institute. This is very important. So eVidya Vahini is the initiative of the institute, wherein institute provided free classes for the students to prepare them for the main examination. And these classes were conducted for all the subjects, for all the stages, foundation, executive and professional, which were appreciated by the students. Now students, where you can join these classes? As I said earlier that these classes are conducted by the regional chapter offices and study centers of ICSI. Now how you can contact these regional chapter offices and study centers? So students, details are available at the website of the institute, www.icsi.edu, and we have also created a tile at the website of the institute, classroom teaching tile. Then you will get all information pertaining to the classroom teaching centers. So as I said earlier that we are conducting online CSET classes also on regular basis, refresher classes, doubt clearing sessions are also being conducted. And besides that, we conduct a lot of live webinar for the students who are undergoing classes to prepare them for the main examination, to motivate them. So webinars are conducted on various topics. So one 2 to 3 such webinars were conducted. One is on key success factors for passing the examination. Another one is latest amendments in company law from the perspective of examination. And third one was motivational sessions. So blend of programs we conduct which focus on academics and motivational skills. So as I said, that students who undergo classes from the classroom teaching centers of the institute, they get exemption from the pre-examination test provided they clear the test conducted by the regional chapter offices. So if you undergo classes from any other private coaching center, you will not get exemption from pre-examination test. But if you undergo classes at the regional chapter offices of the institute, you will get exemption from pre-examination test provided you clear tests conducted by the respective regional chapter office. The toppers of classroom teaching centers are amongst top 25 rank holders. So if you want to become a rank holder of the institute, you can undergo classes at the regional chapter offices of the institute. So we also conduct special sessions on very important topics like GST. So once the session was conducted, you can see the images. We also conduct study circle meetings for the students. So some of the glimpses are here. So study circle meetings, they help students in preparing for the main examination. You can interact amongst yourself and with the faculty. Now we also take special initiative for the students like revision and preparation for the main classes. And the information pertaining to classroom teaching is also available on social media. So we update this information on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn of the institute, besides uploading the same on the website of the institute. So you get all the information pertaining to the classroom teaching on social media platform of the institutes and our website. So in case you face any problem with regard to classes, like the faculty is not good, and if you want to give some suggestions, you can send in your queries through grievance redressal portal of ICSI. So thank you, students. All the students who wish to join our classroom teaching center, they will contact the nearest regional chapter offices and study centers of the institute. And I am sure that all the students who will join the classes will definitely excel in their respective career and will definitely work at a key managerial position in a reputed company. Thank you very much.